Patrick here with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel here at Camp Evans, New Jersey. I met up with Alex, and Alex is going to give us a tour of his custom camper van creation. So join us. Hello, Alex, and welcome to New Jersey Outdoor Adventures.
What's going on, guys? My name is Alex Donofrio, and this is my spaceship. It's a 2022 Mercedes Sprinter 4x4, 6 cylinders, and it's always been my dream to go across country. Sounds really cliche, but that's the truth. And I teamed up with Sequoia and Salt. They're local here in Wall, New Jersey, and we designed and did a complete custom build for this, and I'm super excited to show you. Just a little bit on the outside, we did custom suspension. I'm gonna be going off-road a lot out in BLM land and just wherever the wind's kind of blowing me, so I really wanted to get some nice suspension for off-road. We threw the bigger tires on there, and then we got some really nice black Rhino rims on there. They look really nice, kind of stealth, and you know, they just look cooler than the stock stuff. So up top I got Baja lights. I got 5 on the top, and then went a little bit overboard, but it looks really cool to have a couple extra ones. There's fog mode, and then there's bright mode as well, so for when, you know, I'm in the middle of nowhere, we'll be able to light up everything in front of me. We got a little brush guard here as well, nice brush guard in case we hit a deer or whatever. And the Baja lights are attached to a really nice roof rack that I put on there. I can anchor whatever I need. If I need storage boxes, I have my solar panels up there, the Zamp solar panels. They're pulling about 350 watt. Attached to the top on this side, I have the a nice Fiamma awning, which is stands up by itself, and we got the runners here, you know, for a little extra help with the steps. Nice sliding door, and let's hop up inside. We got all the standard Mercedes, you know, everything that comes with the new Mercedes 2022, so you get all the high-tech stuff that comes along with it. We got swivel seats on both sides, which is really nice because if I want to have a little party, we can do that. I'm working on the road a lot, so I really wanted a place where I can comfortably work every day. I got Starlink set up, so I'll be working here every day. If you know, one of my buddies or someone wants to crash, this table goes down, and then I have these cushions to fill in the space right here, so someone can sleep. And then with the swivel seat, once it's swiveled, you know, if someone's 6'5", 6'7", they could even comfortably sleep here, which is nice. I went with the vinyl flooring, really easy to clean, looks cool. That's called Zebra, so I wanted to go with a little funky pattern on there. And actually under here we have a little hidden toilet. So everyone's like, Alex, how are you gonna go to the bathroom? Well, let me show you. I have a nice drawer that Sequoia built for me. This is a Cuddy composting toilet, so no plumbing necessary. You just open it, number 1, number 2, in and out, boom. And it looks pretty comfortable as well. And then, you know, you sit on it like this, nothing moves, comfortable. And, you know, so we don't have to go out when we're on the road too much. Boom, this locks into place, very inconspicuous. Up here we have storage. This is really important because this goes back pretty far. I have all my window covers here that I need to kind of categorize still, but there's a lot of storage up here. So, you know, dirty laundry, I could put these up here, a lot of storage. Really trying to maximize everything here. I went with a really nice pine wood finish here. I wanted to kind of give it a really homey, kind of like sauna vibe, so, or a boat or whatever. Max air fan up here. This just turns on. I'll be cooking in here a lot as well, just to keep the air flowing. And on that note as well, I don't want to make too much noise here. We got both windows that we cut out here. These are cool because you screw them out. If it's raining, you could still get the airflow, and the rain's not gonna come in. Looks pretty cool too. And then we have the same on this side too. If I go to shut this door, same thing on this window. This one comes out as well, which is nice. All weather. I decided to go with this kind of tweed finish here. A lot of people do wood. I went with it just because it's kind of versatile. It looks really good with the wood finish and all the cabinetry. And in case I want to customize and put something else out, literally just got to unscrew these screws here, and could throw something else up if I want to change it or whatever happens in the future. Cabinetry, really important. So I'm going to be living out of this full time. So I got 6 really nice cabinets here. Really smooth, really well done, well built. Our control panel's right here in the middle, so I have a nice Victron system, which we're gonna check out a little later. Dimmable lights, these go on and off. I got my water system that's controlled here, and then my heater. I'm also a music producer, so I'll be making music on the road, so I wanted to get some monitors where I could produce that are going to be right at my ear level. So I got some really nice Genelix. I'm going to be putting like my mixer, my computer here, so I'll be able to produce while I'm on the road. I got power outlets everywhere. There's one here. We got one here right next to the double burner induction stove. There's also another one down here that's got USB hookup, so super convenient. We got the USB there, and we got more storage here as well in this little area. We got larger cabinets. Wanted different size cabinets for different things. Here's also where we have a nice Dometic refrigerator. Comes with a freezer. Be packing all my food in there. Then we got more cabinets here. These 3 are about the same size. Really nice finish. I'm gonna probably put something in there so they don't get all messed up, you know. They're really nice. Under here, we have our sink area. Here we got a lot of storage as well. Fire extinguisher, water pump, and we're pumping the water out. Here we got a 30-gallon water tank. We're gonna check that out in a little bit. And a little place for sponges, whatever. This I might use as a chopping block if I need. It kind of moves around a lot, but that's all good. Threw some L-track up here for hanging stuff. You know, you can mount so many things here just for maximizing the space. Kitchen stuff, paper towel roll, whatever. We don't really have it hooked up too much. More storage. You know, I'm probably gonna put all my spices and plates and dishes and things in here. And these are really nice. They just feel really good locking them out like this. Okay. And here we have, this is for the bugs. You know, when we're out camping, I can just throw this down and it's gonna keep all the bugs out. All right, for safety, we have the smoke detector up here, and then we have a little carbon monoxide guy right here on the side. So keeping it safe in here since it is the home. We lock these up. Here I went with the stationary bed system. I decided to go with this one because I don't really want to make it every day. So what's cool about this is, though, if I want, I can make it a single bed. I can just kind of unbolt this side and open up a little more space if I want to, you know, for whatever reason. But I really like my space when I'm sleeping, so I want to have a nice stationary bed. We blew out the sides here a little bit with the capsules, flare space capsules, and windows open as well. We got covers, and it's very comfortable. I'd say for someone about 6'1" or 6'2", you're even good. Some reading lamps. Can tap these. Boom, 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 boom. Nice little reading lamps. They're also can stick a USB in there, so I'll be charging my phone mostly up there. All right, so up here we have for cooling and air conditioning and energy efficiency, we have a nice Dometic air conditioner, so that's going to be a big help, especially in the summer months. Before we head out to the garage, I want to show you one of the 4 places that I could take a shower. It's kind of hidden right over here on the side, so if I want, I have this sink right here. I could always throw this out. I have one in the garage as well, but this is called the Campervan shower system. So basically it's really nice, solid steel, little hook here, and the shower drops down. We got the nozzle, and then basically I'm gonna take this and we're just throwing the curtain up here on these magnets. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and we got a shower. So I really wanted to save space in the van and not have a designated space for a shower and a toilet, so this is going to do the job for me. And the drain, you'll see, is right here on the bottom. The water just drains out. All right, on the side here, got a little table that folds down. Could be working outside, cooking, eating, whatever. It's just really nice to have extra outdoor space for activities. Really nice. This is the exhaust down here for the diesel hot water and heat. And we have a nice mule carrier for firewood, anything I want to store. I can also mount this system here. I can mount, you know, if I want a shovel, gas can, whatever I want to mount on here. We got the spare tire back here as well. I went with rubber for the garage here for the finishing on the boxes for the batteries and the water system. If you go inside here, we got the whole Victron system, 440 amp hours. We got the inverter and everything that comes along with it. We have our control panel that's in there, and then we also have access to everything from the other side as well, and our breakers. Here is the hydronic water system, about a 30-gallon tank in there, and we get heat as well. These switches here on the outside, this is going to be water in, water out, and then this is the pump, and then this is where we control the heat. If we want to turn on the heat, take a nice hot shower. We have L-Track as well. So the bed system, I'm able to, has its own kind of L-Track system, and then I put some more just for extra storage. You can never have enough storage in these vans. And then I have a nice little slide-out carrier here for my music equipment. If I want to throw a grill here, whatever, it's just really nice slide-out storage. And comes back in just like this. This is my solo stove. And then it just pops back in really nice. We have another van essential on this side in the back. It's a blackout curtain, and also just is, you could use it as a bug screen as well for the back when you're out there. Same thing with the finishes here as I did on the inside with the tweed. Let me take you around to the driver's side. We got 30 amps of shore power here on the side if I want to hook up to a camp spot. We got our nice ladder here so we can get up to the solar panels, roof deck. I left a little extra space up there just for kind of hanging out if I want to, you know, put anything else up there for storage. And then that's about it. We got another little side step right here. And yeah, that's about it. I just want to thank you, Patrick, for exhibiting my beautiful van that Sequoia and Salt helped me build, and they built it. And I'm going to be hitting the road in a couple weeks. If you want to catch me, Patrick's going to drop the link. I'll be all over the country. We'll see where life takes us. So thanks again.
Alex, thank you very much for taking the time today to give us a tour of your awesome camper van creation. Now, one of the things that really stood out to me was that shower device. Now, that's pretty cool because if you're going to be living in this and working in it full time, you might want that more open space, and not having a dedicated shower that's always there that flips up and down when you need it. That's pretty cool. You could also shower outside, which you mentioned and showed us. I also noticed a lot of things are modular. Like, so as things progress, you can move things around in the van.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is the first van build that I have, so I'm going to be testing everything out. I might want to change something up in the future, in the near future. So I wanted just to be versatile. I wanted to keep things minimal with the ability to kind of change, upgrade, whatever the case may be. But as far as the shower system goes, for the winter time, I can use that a lot. I could use the one in the back, but I'd rather have space for working, for creating, and just, I like to have a bigger open space. It's just the way that I roll, so.
And another thing too, like leaving space on the roof so you could store other things up there, hang out on the roof, or add extra solar panels if you wanted to down the road. I also noticed there's room in the back, so if you could add more batteries as you want down the road.
Exactly. So I gotta see, I just kind of test it out, get out there, using all my gear, see how much electric that I'm using every day, kind of figure that out, and then from there I can kind of, if I want to beef up the system, if I want to put more solar panels on the roof, or just leave it open for hanging out, but we'll see.
Awesome, thank you, and I'll make sure I leave a link in the description so our viewers can follow along. This is Patrick with New Jersey's Outdoor Adventures YouTube channel. Thanks for joining us.
See you later.